Hello and welcome back. In our previous video, we have talked about JSON and why we need JSON, right? And here I'm going to show you how to create a JSON file and how to show them. Okay, so here you can see JSON.js. I'm going to now rename it and I'm going to say here, I want to create a JSON file. So what I have to do, I have to use an extension that is called .json. Now this is a JSON file, and forget about everything. We will actually do this, no problem. And now we have a JSON file, right? Here you can see JSON file. So now how to start with JSON file, we already talked about it, and it is like this. You have to use curly braces, the opening and the closing one. Now let's say I want to declare object, okay, and let's say start with single object. So how to do this? We have to use here a key, okay? So the key, let's say I want to know the students, okay, and here I'm going to select object. So this students will be the key, and here I'm going to use object. So I will say the name, okay, is, we have to use double quotation and Tanvi. We have to separate through comma the next parameter, and here the next key value is age, key is age and key value is, let's say, 29. Let's talk about the second student. So we know to separate object we have to use comma, and then once again curly braces, and then I need a name, colon, I will say Yamin, comma, is, colon, 29. And now I need another object, so I will say comma, object, so curly braces, and here the name, let's say Wasi, and comma, then is, we have to use double quotation, is, colon, let's say 30. So these are object, okay, for this key students. And now let's say I want to actually store them inside an array. So what can I say? I will cut it. I'll say array. Okay, let me show you some other example. Let's say I want to show the subject also. So what can I say? I'll say here comma, then I will go for the subject. So I need a key, right? Subject key, and here I'm going to say subject key, right? Okay, so here I'm going to say colon. Now I need array, right? So what can I say? Like this, and here we have to mention subject one, let's say. So I'll say subject one. So I can actually mention here, let's say, what can I say? Let's say C++, and then comma, I can say Java, okay, no problem. So like other array, okay, you just have to mention key here. All right, now we can actually copy everything here and go comma, next line, you have to use comma, then next line. So this is actually, we can use array also. Now let's say inside array, okay, I have a different let's say subject related to actually let's say semester. So how can I actually do this? We actually can do this. Let's say I want a array, and inside array I need another object, okay. I have, let's say, semester wise subject. So I can say, okay, subject will be semester wise. So I have to use here these curly braces, right? After this, can I say this third bracket? Now I have 3 semesters, so I will use them. I will use 3 bracket or object, okay. And to separate object, we have to use comma, right? Okay. So here this will be for the first semester. So I will say semester. I'll say first. Then I will use subject. If I need to say here double quotation, I will say subject. Then I will use here, let's say C. So it's a string, so I have to use C. All right, so now I'll copy it and I'll go here and I'll say semester second, and the subject will be C++. Let's go for the third semester. So I will say third semester, third semester, and this will be Java. All right, so here you can see I have first of all I have start with curly braces. Why? Because it's a JSON file, so it has to be start with curly braces, right, or second bracket, and then I need a key. All right, so the key is student, and inside students I have, let's say, 3 students: Tanvir, Yamin, and Wasi. So I need to set 3 different objects for it. So I have to create object. To create object, we have to start with curly braces, and then name is. Now let's say I have a subject. So I have to use here array, right? Because I have multiple subjects, C, C++, Java. So I can actually usually use a normal object like this. Here you can see, I mean, normal array like this, right? So I need an array name, and for JSON, we have to use key, right? So the key value is subject, and I have 3 different subject, let's say. So I will say C. So I have to use here C, and then I have to separate through comma. Because if you think about normal array, I will say const, okay, const subject, and then I will say like this: first C, right, then C++, then Java. All right, but here we just have to mention subject. We have to remove constant in JSON, okay, and we have to use only double quotation for the key, because in object, I mean in JSON, we have to call it key, and these are key value. That's it. We just have to go to the new line here, and we just have to remove this equal sign. We have to use colon. That's it. And we have used here like this. Here you can see. All right. I hope you understand. Now, here I found that, okay, I have a semester wise subject, right? So I have to create another object. So object inside object, right? This object inside this student object, right? This is a separate object if you think about it. And here for the subject, I need another object, right? So I have 3 different objects here. So I have to use opening and closing curly braces, and then like this. All right. And now let's copy it, and we have to close the third bracket because of the array. So it's an array, right? Yeah. And it's an object. So we have array inside object and object inside array, right? Okay. So it's a little bit confusing, I know, but if you rewatch the video, I hope you will understand. Okay. Yeah. Now let's copy it for the next subject. So I will copy it, and I'll go here, and I will paste it here. I'll paste it here also. All right. So this is actually, we can create a JSON file. We have to start with .json, and then we have to use, we have to start with opening and closing curly braces. Okay. If I cut it here, you can see opening and closing curly braces, and then we need a key value for the object. And here you can see it's a key value students, and we need 3 different object for because we have 3 students, right? So the first one is Tanvir, the second one is Yamin, and the third one is Wasi. So we need to create 3 objects. That is the reason actually I have created here to I have created here a curly braces, opening and the closing one, and inside it we have name is and subject. Subject is an array, and inside array we have different objects, so we have to create object like this. So I forgot to actually mention here third bracket because these are multiple object, right, with a single key, so they need to be inside an array, right? So that is the reason actually we are getting error here. And now here you can see we haven't actually any error. If I have to use here is a single object, we don't need to actually mention mention here third bracket, the array. Why? Because if I say like this, let's say teacher, okay, I can actually say here like this. Oops, really? Okay. So then it will not actually show me error. Why? Because now it's in Okay, I just have to use here comma, that's it. Here you can see no error. But when you use multiple multiple object together under a key name, single common key name, you have to use it inside array, right? Yeah, that is the reason actually it's showing error, but now you can see it's solved, right? Okay, thank you so much.